Hello everyone, I'm Sanisha Rana, the team head of Team Alpha. My team members are Rutuja Wankhede, Rutuja Wankhede and Tejashree Shende. As you all know, due to the pandemic situation, students were not able to go to the school. They had to stay home and attend the lectures online, which basically caused a lot of chaos as it was difficult for students and teachers to cover the syllabus and keep an eye on the attendance at the same time. There's an extensive research in building face recognition monitoring system. That's the only reason we chose this problem statement. Now let me tell you the approach we have taken for this proposed system. The task of the proposed system is to capture the face of every student and to store it in the database of their attendance. The face of the student needs to be captured in such a manner that all the features of the face are detected in. Even the sitting and the postures of the students are recognized. Now let me tell you the algorithm we chose for this program. So we basically went for Har Cascade. Let me quickly tell you what Har Cascade means. It is an object detection algorithm used to identify faces in an image or a real-time video. The algorithm uses the edge or line detection features. The darker areas in the Har features are pixels with value 1 and the lighter areas are of pixels with value 0. The objective here is to find out the sum of all the image pixels lying in the dark areas of the Har feature and sum of all the image pixels lying in the light areas. That's how we'll be actually doing the face detection with Har Cascade. Let's now move on to the demonstration. As you can see, we have created a prototype for real-time application for face recognition based attendance system. For online classes, as you can see, we have contact, exit, and all the other options on the top left corner. Since our model is password protected, for registration we'll first have to enter the correct password. Here we have an option to change the password to. Let's see how it works. As you can see, we have divided the application into two parts, already registered and new registrations. To begin with the registrations, we'll just have to move to the new registrations. We'll enter our ID and then we'll enter our full name. After the student enters all the information, he has to click on the Take Images button. As soon as he clicks the button, the webcam will open using Har Cascade algorithm along with OpenCV. As you can see, the webcam has opened and has captured the image. Then the user will be saving the profile by clicking Save Profile button. For this, the user will have to enter the password as the system is password protected. If the entered password matches, the student will get registered and we have a message that the image is taken for ID 10. Now let's record the attendance by clicking the Take Attendance button. On our real-time project, we'll have to access the camera of student and capture the images in the interval of 10 minutes, that is 6 times in a class, considering the classes of 1 hour. So as we have used Har Cascade method, we have to access the repositories using XML and OpenCV so that it's easy for us to recognize the face and to store the data in the database. Now, as soon as it connects, the webcam will open. As you can see, the webcam has turned on and the image has detected with our name under it, and the attendance is recorded and stored in the database. Now let me just quickly tell you the technologies I have used. It's tkinter for whole GUI, OpenCV for taking images, CSV, NumPy, and Pandas for other purposes. Now you'll be wondering that why you should choose our project over all the other projects. So let me just quickly tell you how our project is unique from all the other projects. So it creates and updates the CSV file for details of students on registration. It creates a new CSV file every day for attendance and marks the attendance with proper date and time. It displays live attendance and updates for the day on the main screen in tabular format with ID, name, date and time. It is easy to integrate with GUI. Now let me just take you through the future scope of this particular project. If this project is implemented, the teacher across the globe can keep a check on the attendance in live classes without investing extra time for same. I'll be concluding here with the approach of face recognition based automated system for attendance, which is being prototyped here. The proposed approach provides a method to identify the individuals by comparing their input images obtained from recording the video frames for the attendance purpose. This proposed approach is able to detect the localized faces from an input facial image present in the database, which is obtained from the recording video frame. This will intensely help the teachers to save time and keep an eye on students. I hope you liked it. Thank you.